Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist Sister Always Want to Tease Me, Chapter 10. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Kai-an. Right now, she's having an argument with the doctor. Teacher sees sights. Asks you to go. How long can it be delayed? And it will be for a while. The doctor said to Kai-an. Now, this is really not good. She is being teased by another doctor because he knows that he is only an intern. But suddenly, she really got safe. Right now, her sister suddenly came in. She was calling her. Kai-an. Well, what a save, right? This is really good. At least, right now, she can protect it from another doctor that only wants to use her as an intern and do silly things. Well, of course, Kai-an. Right now, she's been surprised by the sudden appearance of her sister. Why did you not came to me as soon as you came? There's some problems in the last case sorting, and I have to explain it to you. Ransing said to her. Well, finally at least Ransing was here, so the other doctor cannot tease her. But right now, Kai-an, she was silenced, of course. She don't know how to answer that. Another doctor was still here, also Ransing. What if the two of them really misunderstand each other? Of course, this is really a chaos. For a newbie like her, she needs to bow down. Right now, Ransing, of course, she will never let her do that. Kai-an is my intern and I have to give priority to the completing the task I have already arranged. Ransing said to another doctor, I remember Dr. Lin, you didn't make an appointment this morning, even time for the case filing. Sorry doctor, Dr. Lin said to Ransing. Well, Ransing, she is really tricky, right? You know how to deal with this kind of people, so it was really saving a day. I'll handle it myself. Ransing said to her. Now, Kai-an said to her, Thank you, sister. The doctor will going out. Of course, Ransing. Right now, new interns are easily instructed to do some unnecessary errands and basic work. Next time I encounter this situation, just move me out and says that I won't let you do it. Oh, that was really tough, right? Turns out, she is really good at dealing with this kind of things. Sister is maintaining me. Well, I remember it out. We'll have a denture implant every time. You can come and give me a hand. Ransing said to hers. Well, finally, look at her. She seems to be happy. But I just came here not long ago. It's really possible. Kai-an said to Ransing. Now, she looks really happy. Of course, she really wants to see how to do it on action. That's why she got really excited. But Ransing said to her, Of course, you can see it. Ransing said to her, You need to learn it. And it was good that I was the one who's gonna taught it to you. Well, definitely, the two of them are really happy. Ransing said to her, Fuck up in half an hour later and come to me on the clinics. Now, she got really excited. Kai-an said to her, Okay, finally, she can able to stand with her. Well, this thing, half an hour later, oral hygiene is well maintained. You can go and brush your teeth first, and we will start the surgery. When you came back, Ransing said to the patient. Now, Kai-an was standing there just to see the procedure. Don't be nervous. You will listen to my command. Ransing said to Kai-an. Well, that was good, sister. Kai-an said to Ransing. Well, finally, this is really her first time experience. To experience hands-on, that's why she got really excited for this. Open your mouth and tell me if it's hurt. The next step should be a screwdriver, Ransing said to Kai-an. Now, she's going to lend her a screwdriver. Definitely, she got really worried about this. Right now, Ransing. Turns out Kai-an, she was really acting normal. Now, she gave the screwdrivers on hers. Well, for now, look at her. She seems to be nervous. But, okay, don't do it. For my sister also coaxed me, like this kind of. Well, she know to herself that Ransing is giving her a chance to see it. Also, she need to learn about the procedure. It's generally believed that interbone implants made of pure titanium can produce a good bone integration interface. The shape can be cylindrical, conical, with the threads or threads, because rough surface can increase the contacts of the area. Now, the implant has been planted and it will not hurt later. Come on, the next step is the temporary restoration and put it when it's over. Well, finally, the angle of the mouth is very good. It's awesome. The next step is to wait for 3 months to repair the implant. This was really too tough for Kai-an. She can do better. Thank you, doctor, the patient said, ranting. Well, finally, it's over, so she can take a break for it. Her experience is really smooth and well. Well, let's hope she can really learn from this. On Kai-an's, it turns out that the senpai is so gentle to everyone. So right now, it's not new. She's only gentle on hers. It was gentle to everyone that she's encountering. Well, is she really jealous about these things? But right now, she thinks that Ransing is really a good person. Now, look at her. When she came back to the office to do some work, her friend is finally here. She was calling her. Well, definitely, she was asking about the surgery. I heard you were involved in the surgery. Thanks to your tutor for being so kind to you. Really? Really? Friend, she really can't believe that she can able to stand on the surgery together with her mentor. Of course, we can only watch next to it. We're already getting started, her friend said to her. Well, her friend seems to be happy for her. She can able to see it and also see the live performance. Well, finally, it was Ransing who suddenly came into the room. Sit, then. And suddenly she got fussed. Well, probably she's been caught. But they've been talking about the surgery. Ransing suddenly came in and said, the patient information is hard to sort out. Alright, Kai-an said to Ransing. Now she grabbed the paper and it's going to sort it out. Well, let's see on what will happen. It seems that the relationship is really getting better. Right now, Kai-an was calling Ransing. Elder sister, well, what is she going to do? Why suddenly she's asking her. Now she wants to talk with Ransing at this time. He said to her, just let me go to the operating table with you to explain. Sister is very fancy to me. Kai-an said to Ransing. Well, let's see if Ransing would really allow her to be able to see again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!